All right, guys, we are ready to start our project today. Okay, so here again is the project that we're gonna be making. It has a simple shape in the center, which I did a heart, and then I divided my paper into sections, and each section has a different type of line. I chose red and black as my colors today. You may choose any two colors that you would like. All right, so we are gonna start with a fresh sheet of paper, and you are gonna start by making a shape in the center, any shape you want. So this time, I think I'm gonna do a star. So I'm gonna draw a star. Okay, I'm gonna color my star in. You guys could do a heart, you could do a circle, you could do a triangle, you could do a rectangle, you could do a star, an oval. If you want to get fancy, you could do like an octagon or a hexagon. All right, and I'm just coloring in my star nice and solid. Okay, so now I have my star, and I am going to trace my star with my black marker now. Just gonna trace it on the outside. I don't have to do the inside lines. Okay, and now I want to divide my paper into sections. So I'm gonna draw a line going up and down from the middle. I'm gonna draw a line coming from each side of my star. And then I'm gonna divide each of those rectangles in half. So I'm just gonna start from the corner and draw a line towards my star. And I'll stop that line when it touches the star. Okay, so now I have my paper drawn into the different sections, and I am ready to start my line designs. Now remember, you can do more than short, long, thin, and thick. You can do straight, zigzag, curved, loopy, whatever types you want. So I think I'm gonna start with loopy today. And I am gonna start kind of here in the middle. And I'm just making my loopy designs. And then I'm gonna go below it. And just fit as much as I can. Doing a nice job of keeping it neat and tidy. And then I'm gonna fill up above where I hadn't started yet. And this would be called a loopy line. All right, so there is my first line section. I think in the next one, I'm gonna do a pattern. I think I'm gonna do long and short. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, and then just keep going on the other side. So this is kind of like what we were doing on the popsicle yesterday, where I had the long and the short. So I'm just making sure that I am doing it continuously to fill the whole design. Kind of looks like a road. I don't think I intended that. I think it just kind of happened. Okay. So now I've had loopy lines, and now I have long and short. Let's see. For my next one, I think I'm going to do a combination of straight lines, or actually let's do a combination of vertical and horizontal. So horizontal is side to side. So I'm going to go side to side, side to side, side to side, and these are called horizontal lines. Horizontal. Side to side. Now, I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna do some vertical lines. Vertical lines are up and down. So it's gonna kind of make it like a checkerboard. Okay. So this design was made using vertical and horizontal lines. Okay, now that I'm down here at the bottom, how about some zigzag? Zigzag lines have like triangle designs going on. Zigzags are pretty fun to draw. Okay, I'm halfway done already. Let's see, I'm gonna flip my paper around so I have a little bit more room to work with. How about this time I do some of those spiral ones, the ones that make me think of watching the toilet water go down. I hope I'm not the only person who does that. I do that all the time. I don't know why, but it helps me with these line designs because I now know that this is what the water looks like. I guess it's also true of like watching water go down the drain. So like when I'm in the kitchen doing dishes and I'm washing things up and I unplug the drain. I guess that's kind of what it looks like, the water going down. Okay, let's see. How about I just do some basic bumpy lines. So just something like ramen noodle lines. We'll call these my ramen noodle bumpy lines. Okay, let's see. How about some like rainbow lines? So curved lines, and we can just have them kind of build off of each other. So we'll just do a whole bunch of curved lines and just kind of make them fill the space using curves. There we go. And one more section. Let's make this one very simple and just do curved lines by drawing circles. This is a short, rounded line that forms a circle. Okay, end result. That looks pretty sharp. I am a fan of this. Okay, so again, guys, we started with a nice basic shape in the center. Heart, star, circle, square, rectangle, oval, triangle, your call. Color it in any color you want. And then for the background, you don't have to use black. I just chose black, but you are gonna trace your shape with whatever color you're gonna use. Divide your paper into 8 sections like you're cutting it kind of like a pizza. And then in each section of the background, you are going to use just your same color marker and you are going to do different line designs. Short, long, thin, thick, vertical, horizontal, diagonal, straight, curvy, zigzag, loopy, bumpy, swirly. All of those lines, perfect examples of things that you can do for this project. All right, I think you guys are going to like this one. It feels like a fun, fancy doodle. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.